today I am decked out in my finest Siberian summer wear, and we are going to play with my balls again. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Average Joe Hot Rod Show. I am Bobby D. We're outside filming again today, so you may have to deal with some weird ambient noises again. Trains, school bells. Oh, there's a train right there. Anyway, the reason we're outside filming today is we're doing another product review. In my last video, we tested the generic versions of SeaFoam available at Walmart and Menards to see which one of them actually does what it claims. Now, also in that video, which I will link to up over here, I said if you wanted me to test the winner, which was FVP, against the original SeaFoam, leave a comment down below in that video and hit the like button and I'll do it. Well, enough of you did, so I went out to my local Walmart and purchased a can of the original stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to test it against two intake valves. I have one that has not been touched by any product, and I have the one that basically the SuperTech did very little to. So we're going to test it against those two valves and see if the original works as good or better as the FVP.
Here's how we're gonna science. I'm gonna place 8 ounces of SeaFoam into 2 jars. Into those jars will go 1 dirty intake valve. Once a day for the next week, I will go out and agitate the solution. And at the end of that week, I will pull out the valves, brush off any loosened carbon, and compare before and after photos to assess the product's carbon busting ability. Let's bust some carbon. Oh yeah. I need to do a little explaining here. I had a can of SeaFoam from about a year ago that had a couple ounces left in it, and I figured, why not use it up? But as you can see, the old SeaFoam is much clearer than the new stuff I had just purchased. So I have to wonder, did I get a bad can? Or has there been a formulation change that we just don't know about? I guess we'll just have to see how it works. Here's a picture of our valve before soaking in SeaFoam. And here's that valve 1 week later. Here's the before and after, side by side, so you can judge how much carbon was removed. Here's the valve from the last test, after being soaked in SuperTech, but before being soaked in SeaFoam. And here's how that valve looks 1 week later, after being treated with SeaFoam. And once again, here's the before and after, the before on the left, and the after on the right. And here's the before and after from last video's FVP valves for comparison. Here's a complete lineup of all the before and after pictures, and my ranking in their ability to bust carbon.
Nice.
It's time to stop!